Hey guys, it's me Kevin. If you didn't know, if you guys didn't know, this is my pocket Lego train butterfly knife. And I just made a CSGO paper butterfly knife just now. It took me, well, the gluing took me forever because it has to dry, but I think it was worth it. Here's the look. The reason I put these nerve belts because these coupons just come off right away. And yes, it could transform like this, and then you could just flip it like that. If you didn't know, so I flip like here, like this to here, a different way. Here's how I go. I go this, and then just this. Sometimes just make just more flips like this, kind of like that. But this one doesn't move much, but it's still it's still worth it. Just I'm pretty sure you can just, I don't think you can make a spin, but you can just do cool tricks like that. Like what I did, like this. Kind of more like spinning motion, but like this, but you don't use like the hand. You can probably do that on this one. It just could be pretty floppy. Other than that, it's a really nice CSGO butterfly knife. This is how it looks. And that's how it looks open. Right here's how it looks when it's closed. Like that. So not much. I would still prefer this, even though it's much smaller, because it looks really nice. You can probably even like spin, but it's a really small one. I will try to find a way to make a bigger one. I just don't have the right pieces right now. I don't think I have the pieces. So yeah, this is not a bad paper butterfly knife, butterfly CSGO butterfly knife. But it took me 6 hours, literally 6 hours. 4 hours of drying it, and the rest of 2 hours just kind of just making holes and then just gluing it together. Technically like that. Gluing all the other stuff, like gluing 3 parts. So I could technically just say this is my second homemade butterfly. I will get like a training butterfly comb one. Couldn't get like a really butterfly training one, but I could probably get a butterfly comb one. I'm thinking about it to buy one. But right now, these are what I'm gonna use. Lego butterfly training knife and a paper CSGO butterfly knife. So yeah, that's all it's gonna be for today. If you want to make more videos like this, just comment and like. And yeah, bye.